In this video, we will discuss how to enter expenses in Zoho Books. To enter expenses, we need to go to Purchases module, select Expenses, and you can click this new button and you can create a new expense. Or you can click by plus mark and you can enter your expenses. First, you need to select the date and you can select expense account. You can enter the amount. You can enter this amount as tax inclusive or tax exclusive, and you can select from which account or paid through account from the system. Next, if you have created tax rate or if you are a tax registered company, you can select the tax type. You can enter vendor name or you can select vendor name. You can enter reference number for this expense, and you can enter notes for this expense. If you want, you can upload a file by clicking this upload your files. You can upload any document related to this expense. Right, in the expense, we can use expense and payments made for that payments, and in the expense, when you are entering any expense, system will same time it will credit the bank account and the debit the relevant expense. Okay. In the payment made, it's a bank account, bank will credit and the account payable will debit. In the expenses, same time it will debit to the expense account and credit to the bank account. You will enter one expense. Right, like that we can enter expenses. Right, next, now when you are entering expenses, you can select one account and you can complete the transaction, or in one expense account or in one expense transaction. If you are paying more than one account, you can use this itemize option. Okay, then here you can add more than one account in the expense. Like this, you can select your accounts and you can enter the payment. So if you want to add more than one account, you can use that itemize option and you can do the payment. Like that, this each line items total will display here. If you want, you can add your vendors or customers and reference number. Furthermore, when you are entering any expense count or expense transaction, you can record the mileage and you can add bulk expense. Now here when you are entering expenses, here you can select only few accounts and do the transaction. If you select bulk add expenses, you can enter your all expenses in this screen. So when you are enter transaction and saving is happen in this record expense, and it will take some considerable time than bulk add expenses. In bulk add expenses, you can use this screen, and at once you can enter your details, like in Excel sheet you are entering like that. You can enter your transactions here. You can select date, expense account, amount paid through, vendor, tax, customer name and projects. Those details you can enter at once in bulk add expenses option. Right, like that you can enter expenses. Right, now in practical situation, if you are using any bank accounts and if you are maintaining petty cash account, so both accounts or both transaction, if you want to set separate transaction series, for petty cash you can use expenses, and for check payments you can use the payment made. Like that you can segregate your transactions. For expenses you can use the petty cash, and the payments made you can use for check payments. Right, like that you can enter your expenses.